In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Payoneer receiving account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to provide, and how to get approved so you can start receiving payments in the currencies you need. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Payoneer website. If you're not sure of the URL, search for Payoneer and choose the official result. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and ensures your information stays secure. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If you're new to Payoneer, take a moment to sign up before continuing. The sign-up flow is straightforward, and completing it now will make the rest of the process smooth. After you log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look for the Get Paid section. This is where you manage everything related to incoming funds. Click it to open the options for receiving money. Inside Get Paid, select Receiving Accounts. Here, you'll see the countries and currencies that Payoneer supports. This area is essentially your gateway to setting up local bank details in different regions. Next, choose the currency and country you want to receive payments in, such as USD for the United States or EUR for the Eurozone. Pick based on where your clients or marketplaces pay you from. Selecting the right currency can help you avoid unnecessary conversion fees and simplify payouts. Now click Request Accounts. Follow the on-screen prompts and select the specific receiving accounts you want to create. Payoneer will guide you through what's available for your profile and region. You'll be asked to complete a short questionnaire. Provide clear, accurate details about your business activity, the type of services or work you do, and where your payments typically come from. The more precise and consistent your answers, the smoother the review process tends to be. If requested, upload verification documents. A government-issued ID is commonly required. Make sure your images are clear, unedited, and match the details in your account. This step is essential for security and regulatory compliance. After submitting, head to the Pending Accounts tab to track your request. You can monitor updates in real time and see when each currency account is approved. Once approved, your receiving account becomes active. Payoneer will provide local bank details you can share with clients or marketplaces to receive payments directly. At this point, you're ready to accept international payments in the currencies you selected. Choose the correct currency to minimize fees, double check every detail to speed up approval, and keep your documents handy for quick verification. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.